Guys, your English is terrible if you don't know how to answer these 8 questions. So pause the video now and try to answer before you listen to me. Now, check your answers with me. Watch, watching, watched. And I mean here verb 3 or past participle. When to use each of them? Well, when you see do or does or did in the sentence, or their negative forms like don't, doesn't, didn't, use the infinitive without to. When you see am, is, are, was, were, add ing to the verb, like watching. Again, talking active voice. When you see has, have, had, use the past participle or verb 3, like watched. Now answer. They are blank TV now. Are. With are we use ing, so watching. He doesn't. Doesn't is the negative form of does, so watch. Guys, do not add anything to the verb after doesn't. No s, no ed, no ing, just the base form of the verb, watch. She has needs past participle or verb 3, so she has watched. What did, so infinitive without to, watch. What did you watch? I was followed by ing, so watching, I was watching. We don't negative of do, so infinitive, watch, I don't watch. And so on. You answer 7 and 8, guys. Write your mark in the comments. From 1 to 4, your English is bad. 5 to 7, not bad. 8, your English is good. Thank you for watching.